I'm Steve Martin, I'm the Project Manager with the Wales Audit Office, and I was responsible for a report about young people who are not in employment, education and training.
And I'm Claire Floodpage, I'm from the Wales Audit Office, and I worked with Steve on pulling together our report with young people who are not in education, employment or training.
We wanted to say that the framework the Welsh Government are working to, their youth engagement and employment framework, we think is a reasonable framework, but there are some issues about how much is spent in this area that they haven't mapped out all the costs, and there are some problems for the 19 to 24-year-olds who are facing not being in work. Well, the committee's doing an inquiry into assisting people into work. It's a slightly different remit to ours. Our work was very much covering a high-level approach, looking at the Welsh Government's policy and local support for it. They'll go much deeper into some aspects of the subject than we were able to do, but I hope they take our general points on board and incorporate those in their work, and they will take evidence, I'm sure, from the Welsh Government in what's a developing area, and any recommendations that they make will come out of, well, hopefully be informed by our report and work, but out of their own evidence and what the Welsh Government have picked up themselves and are doing. I think the Assembly members, for an inquiry which they've chosen to look into, they're actually quite interested in the subject matter, and for an organisation that's got something to say that's based on its work, it's a good thing to let the politicians and the policymakers hear those things, not to shy away from it. And although the setting and the formality of the building might be a bit off-putting, they're actually interested in what you've got to say and can offer.
Yes, I think practically it can sometimes feel a bit daunting, and there's quite a lot of work to prepare to do it, but people are very interested in it, and actually in terms of the opportunity to talk about what you think and feel about the topics you do, it's a really important venue to do that in.